you know. But they're like, no, 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 don't do that. Just call. Calling doesn't mean anything. You understand? I'm like, okay, no problem. Well, let me dance my music small here before I go to YouTube, whether they like it or not. I keep on saying it. An illiterate, confirm illiterate. If I say, hey, see, it must be like, yes, a confirm one. A confirmed illiterate cannot rule over me. I don't know about you. Me, a confirmed illiterate, cannot rule over me. If you like have billions of followers, you cannot rule over me. It's not possible. A thief, a ex, useless, wayward, second-hand born child will rule over me for what I started with good faith, with calling. It's not possible. And I stand by my word. Except the Lord said, Lolo, go to the side. Stop. Let go. If not, upon the power he invested in me, it's not going to happen. You know me, I'm not those Christians that Shakababa. No, I'm not that type. But I just believe in my God. Trust him and trust the power in me. Yeah. I fear nobody. Nobody. Ask my family. I'm 40 now. Let me help you to calculate the year I made my way abroad. Myself. I'm 40 this year. Yeah. I came to Europe 1998. Precisely December 22. I landed in the Netherlands. Till 3 months ago. Okay? I fear no beggar. I fear nobody. You can't do me nothing when I'm standing on the truth. If I stand on my truth, if you like it's this small, you can't do me nothing. Except I mix it with lie. If I mix it with lie, which I know it for sure, that if I miss anything I do with lie, I will lose. So for that reason, I don't miss what I do with lie, so I don't lose. A lot of my mates today, we made it abroad together. God knows where they are. They've not even still gotten to where I am. I'm grateful. And a lot that are even above me. But all the same, I am grateful for where I am. Satisfied with where I am. Happy with where I am. I don't wish anybody to be behind me or not to go in front of me. The road is wide. That is why in Europe, you have pavement where 10 people can walk at the same time. You don't have to push anybody to the road to die. But some, what do they call them? Oh yes, those people who never thought. When I was small, I knew I'm going to be great. I wasn't the smartest among my mother's children. We are 9 in number. I wasn't the smartest. No. My mom have children. Their brain is like computer. But I wasn't the smartest. But I knew what I would be. I had a great mom who always encouraged me. Tell me, even though you are not the smartest, you can still do something great for yourself. And you can still be independent and be on your own. Be your own madam. Do you know that? So don't give up. You are still very young. Life is wide. Which I give to young girls abroad here as well. I always tell them, don't run. To be honest, it's unfortunate. I now had to be with someone I thought. I never knew people like this exist. Let me not come and beat. If I'm saying it now, I look like, is she trying to say she's perfect? No. But people who know me right from the onset knows that that's not my lifestyle. That's not the kind of life I live. I don't fake nothing. When people were crying of document in this country, the year 2003, 2004, I was one of the happiest person. One day I will show you my picture, how I was living that time. I was living like a passport holder. because I just have the faith that one day I will have it. I was happy. The day I got paper, I went to church. That time we used to go to church. I want to give testimony. They say, what is your testimony about? I say, I got paper. I say, I beg now today. Haven't you gotten paper since? I said, no, I've never test paper like this, test and take. You know, there were a time they give you paper and they take it. I said, me, I've never tested it. I don't know what it is. This is my ever first time. Pastor was like, you mean all this why? You are doing as if the word is your own. You don't have paper. I said, Pastor, but it's my own word, is my own that I was doing now. Did I need anybody? He said, actually not. He said, but you look so relaxed, so comfortable, so happy, as if you have it all. I said, yeah, because I have it all. I'm not sick. Now they have given me paper. Hey, extra joy has come. That is my life. I never wish to have what you have if I don't work for it. No. But it's so unfortunate. I entangle myself with people who don't know how to work for their own, but rather want other person's own. People who have jealousy in them that they can't control. You understand? You have spirit of jealousy you cannot control. It's not nice. People out there, try put yourself under control. Being jealous of another person. Some people will say they are healthy jealousy. That word alone, just let it die. Appreciate people when they are doing well. Do you get? And let them be. Healthy jealousy, sour jealousy, fresh jealousy, newborn jealousy. Forget about it. You don't need it. Just appreciate people who are doing well and work towards your own success and leave other people alone. Leave them. Look at what they've brought out, juju paper. They bring one for this person. They bring two for this person. These people are practically looking for a way to suck your money that they cannot stand. They see you use your money, buy hair for yourself. You don't go to juju man, you don't go to pastor, you don't go to prophetess. So they want to take your money from you. 50,000 they took from Mommy B recently. If Mommy B use it to buy hair, they will jealous her. That is why they are looking for a way to pull it out from people. That is their new way, so that everybody will look like them. Poverty-stricken animals. The one that is drinking and smoking is drinking and smoking with their money. The one that is giving husband money to drink and smoke, chop and everything, is also doing it. Is it our fault? The one that is married one Oyibo, two Oyibo, three Oyibo, that one is also there. Is it my fault? When I was taking care of my two older boys, they were like twins. They were like twins. As a matter of fact, clothes wey don't rain pass. Now they wear. When it comes new collection in shop, I know they see them. I don't even want to see them. When they are doing sales, I will go and buy it. And I will be decking it as if the world is coming to an end. It's my own. It's not your own. That was how I was living my life. When these people were jumping from one place to another. From one Oyibo thinking the world has come to an end. Sitting in front of a new car that I never get to see, like I said. Forming to the whole city where they live, that they have arrived. Life belongs to them. Let's go to city. Let me go and visit that my friend that thought I would never make it. Let's go and visit that person that thought I would never make it. When they were doing all of that, people were busy working hard, legitimately. Do you understand? When somewhere, Oga do, Oga no do, buy me laptop, buy me telephone, all those ones were useless in their life. They never knew they would end up where they are today. So you guys should please allow successful people who are working toward more success. Let them go. Let them have their peace of mind. And you guys should stop backing and trying to draw our dress. Look at the people you summon. All of them are hardworking. All of them are settled. When I mean settled people. And that was what I told the native Dr. Abiodun and native Dr. Abina, whatever. I told him. I said, the people they summon to your palace, Abi, wherever. The people they summon, they are officially married, not divorced. So. Not divorced. In fact, no one is living under government. Working class, mothers with their children at home. That was what I told the man. I said, those are the people they summon. You want me to count the people that summon somebody to you? One is a criminal, go to prison and come back every time. The other one born government collect children. He useless, he wayward. The other one is a darkness person. We don't even know who the person is. How can someone in the dark summon me? Okay, they work. He say no. You not work now. Somebody nobody know. How will you summon somebody? Who does that? It's not done anywhere. An invisible person will summon. I say, Oga, those are the three first. And the other one from one Oyibo to another. Till today, we don't know whether he don't settle or not. We don't know. The other one, 20-something years abroad, second-hand bicycle. Now you see the drive. Now say, Oga, compare it together. Who is now spoiling each other? Edo children who are doing well abroad, this wayward set of people are trying to drag them down. Oga, who is destroying? And that is why we say you should come. Let us come on. I said, no, we are not coming. We are not coming. All of us, because I am the Facebook godmother. I am telling you, we are not coming. Nobody should answer. The man said, But it's just, he was even kind of almost pleading like, it was just to talk now. Are you not talking to me? I said, that is why we respect you. We respect you, and everybody is calling you one after the other. Not for anything, no. Just for your respect, because you don't know nothing. Like you said, you've not been to abroad and you don't know nothing, right? He said, yes. I say, fine. If everybody have called you to tell you the same, that these people, this is who they are, you can see that we have no reason to answer you. We cannot answer you. They have taken one to Ekonorwe. They are taking one to Awosuoba. They have taken one to Ayelala. They have taken... I said, do you see that they are trying to make our money? They are trying to drill our money. We that have children. They don't have children. The one government is taking care of the house rent and everything is there. The one that abandoned children is there. Christmas will come. They don't care if they buy things for children. No. I said, so Oga, who is now spoiling? And that is why anybody, you people will hear for yourself. So just imagine the set of people. My Edo people out there, one message I will have for you guys. Sit down on your own and look at this set of people for real. Summering, working class, responsible, married women and hardworking ladies. Over imbecile, wayward, psychiatric patients are coming to summon people like... It's not fair. It is not fair. Edo people, if you people want Uma, whether na Uma Agba or Uma Nogba, if you people want peace, it's time for everybody to stay their lane. Okay? It's time. Tell the truth. If you want to do video, come out and say the truth. Okay? Okay, right now, what has happened has happened. Yes, Lolo, you were part of the people who start spoiling the social media. I agree. And I apologize. I am sorry. I face my marriage, face my business, and face what I'm doing. Excuse me, guys. Hello? Hello? If you are calling me, please make sure you know where you are hearing me for. Otherwise, you want to hear me finish before you hear yourself. You understand? So we should sit down and reason this matter together. Reason it. I was part of it. I apologize. I've moved on with my life. But these people should stay their lane. They shouldn't hide under the umbrella of Imagbina Nevima. Nobody send you. And besides, you people leader have said it. Where did they write Ogyoba in the Bible? There is no way it is in the Bible. It's not in the Bible, she said. Hello? If you don't hurry up to talk, I will not let me remove you from speaker. I don't want to talk. That particular person that said Ogyoba is not in the Bible. Why didn't you people bring paper for that person? Why? I came out to say, someone said rest in peace to who passed away. It's not a bad thing. That is my offense. Let's go to my YouTube and listen to the audio from the man. But for me, I don't know about you. Those people, they do not exist. From the head to the tail, all of you are very, very stupid. If I hear my name from you people's mouth again, I will come out in the night and I will swear for you people generation. And if you don't know, when some people took me to Ekonori, I'm we come and I said it to this man. I said, Baba, we only winning all joke. I'm going. Amwebogbejo koma no mweni mene lolo ario de keke ogun oba oyan gbo ni because oni wajaji I know said you wagbe amwejo the audio is there. I will collect it and play for you guys too. Anybody that will take my name to any shrine ogun oba no isogun Nigeria or igbomani or gbigyo wae or gbemi yanoru wae mota I'm not the one that said it though. I'm not the one that said it. That is what you people believe, and it will work for you people. People who are claiming juju is their answer. Now, juju, madam, Okona, wadegbe temeni. If you say that rubbish again to bring Edo people down, God in heaven will strike you dead. Now, juju na Edo people believe, my sister, hey, degbe te rubbish ni la jamunuweni. Don't ever try it again. Our daddy went to church. You didn't see him in church. Our generation, our forefathers, yes, that was their belief. But right now, we the youngsters, we this time, we believe in God. Okay? Using that rubbish, do you know what that thing can cost to young girls who are still looking for husband out there? Now, juju we believe. Do you think it's every man that believes in juju? Or you want all the Edo girls to marry to Edo men? Anybody can find their husband anywhere to come and see that your nonsense video and say, nah, juju we believe. Nah, juju we believe. Madam, just carry that your dirty mouth. Hide down for inside gutter. Don't try it again, eh? Stop it. When I heard that nonsense, I was like, ah, how could this woman open her mouth to say this dirty word? No, juju will be. Since you have been serving juju, why didn't that juju buy you ticket that you now end up begging on social media? Let them help you to come back to Europe when you were stuck in Africa. Why? Why didn't you go to the shrine and say, provide me ticket, if juju is working for you? Sometimes some of you just behave so waywardly, I don't understand. Why didn't you? You should have just go to that juju shrine. Juju, oh, give me ticket. I want to go to Europe. Give me ticket. But no, juju did not provide you ticket. You were begging endlessly. Please, oh, you people, you help me. Don't let me die, oh. Don't let me. The sickness that you were having that time, why didn't juju solve it for you? Why didn't your juju heal you? If it's juju, now juju will deserve. Now juju will believe. Why didn't that juju heal you? Why didn't he heal you? Sometimes some of you are just talking, eh? You just feel like you just draw your mouth from that video and slap it. What is it? What is your problem? People who believe in juju, who serve juju, they are there. They are there. They don't even talk about it. They keep it. You that don't even know where juju sleep, where juju know. If they use you as sacrifice to juju, you will reject it. For you to know how condemned you are. If they just carry you now and say, juju, this person have no use in this planet. Can you just have it as a burnt offering? Juju will say, I reject and ban this person. Take this way, what's out of my shrine. That is what juju will do to you. Now, juju will shove. Where? Our daddy went to church. Did you see him? He still retained those things because they are from his ancestors. They are from the, time immemorial. Tradition, that's what they call it. It's a traditional thing. So they are there. They respect them. But they don't carry them on their head to go to anywhere. You have been in Europe for the past how many years? You are still living. Now, juju, they serve. But China, no. Take your, you see this my finger, some people don't like it, but I will shake it for you. But China, take your time. If you don't have anything to say, just close your mouth. Because at this junction, you in particular, you don't even know where you belong. Today you are here, tomorrow you are there. You are so, in fact, I don't understand. I don't. No, don't try that rubbish. We are all Edo people do not serve juju. All Edo people do not serve juju. Some serve juju, yes, some not. Not all Edo people. All Edo people do not serve juju. It's a lie. If you happen to come across one nonsense video one woman make, please just do as if you never heard of it. It's a lie. It's a big lie. Some Edo people believe in juju and some not. If you come out and come and look at the juju. Is it not the juju people have turned to caricature? So some of it, not all. Is it not the juju you have turned to caricature? So, eh? Oh, that is why I know. Very wayward human being. No, all Edo people do not serve juju. Please, for non-speaking Edo people around here watching my channel, it's a lie. All Edo people do not serve juju. I grew up with my parents before I made my way abroad. I never see my dad or my mom believe in juju or do juju. Okay? We are from Edo states. Whether you come be Ishan, whether you come be Aoshi, or you come be whatever, Edo state is Edo state. It's all these imbecile, all these wayward children who don't know where they are from. Those are the ones that is saying, don't go here, Ishan go here. I had a man on the phone yesterday was saying, which part of Ishan you are? If I hear all those Edo people, I was like, my brother, stop. Stop this talk. You can see I do my show with English, so I don't have time for this tribe, that tribe. We are all one in the sight of God as well. So I'm not in that game of with this tribe will be this. It's foolish people, useless children that do that. Those ones that don't know where they belong. Those are the people who are saying we are the Edo, these are the Ishan. No, we all are one. We are all one Edo state. All of us are under Edo state. Okay? So nobody should go with that. Okay? When I hear that one really made me laugh. So look at this stupid woman. She's always like that. Out of line. In fact, you don't even know where she belongs. Let me go and play Juju Man message for you guys. I've told the Juju Man. Juju Man, we will not do you nothing. We will not disrespect you. I won't plead on behalf of the people who, out of anger, insulted him. You understand? I also tell him sorry. I said, if anybody call you and out of anger, they insult you, don't be angry. Very sorry about that. But you could understand that it's annoying to sit down and see they come and call your name in Juju Shrine. For what? You understand? So I'm sorry on behalf of anybody who could call you and insult you. I'm very sorry, okay? Don't take it too harsh on them. It was like, okay. Well, at the end of the day, I think he ended up running away anyway, but it wasn't so harsh like that. You understand? Thank you so much, guys. Okay, let's go to my YouTube. Let me not keep you guys too long. All right? Don't mind them. You people should not be afraid of any juju. Anybody who bring juju paper for you again, if they don't have any, in fact, if it's not a Konorwe, if it's not a Wonsoba, every other is a counterfeit. And to all those native doctors out there, don't come and spoil your reputation. We social media people, we social media people, we kakagba. We fear not. I told the man, I said, this Europe, if matter too strong, na police station or court, now we they go. We that live abroad, we don't believe in juju anymore. We don't. And a Konorwe, they don't judge like there. They will let you judge. What happened? How did it happen? Okay? They will ask you. You will say. And they will say, okay, make peace. It's finished. Nobody should fight anybody again. Settlement. Okay? When we went there that time, swear for her. And they say, madam, my bog, we don't do that here. When that one went and carry Ayelala man, la for the Ayelala man, and bring the Ayelala man to come and ruin his reputation. Obobe die now. Obo die. Today now they tell him, go carry your shit where you put for Joshua. You know see it, they go carry. You know see it, they go carry your shit. Anyway, that's another story. Now I understand. You don't do that. You don't swear on people. Nobody got the right to swear on anybody without the person being there. You must be there. If you are not there, case adjourned till further notice. Okay? Anywhere they call you Juju, tell them, bros, I'll be coming to Nigeria in the year 2023. Postpone the case. When I come in person, I will answer in person. It matter we did. Igari 2025. Whoever die in the process is their problem. So that is it. If you like, oh, if you don't like, don't even mind it. If you like, tell them you'll be coming 2025. Case adjourned. They don't judge without your presence. It's not done anyway. Madam Toka said, they curse you. They not believe you. Swear for them. They not believe you. Now he carry that man, he ruin the man reputation. Anywhere this set of people enter, they ruin your reputation. They disgrace you and they finish you. They will finish you anywhere they enter. When you associate with them, they will finish you. They will make sure they rob your reputation to the gutter before they will take their leave out of your space. I'm telling you. If they don't ruin your reputation, they will not leave you. If you even have any little left. Look at a ex-convict that has just been carrying himself. Maybe now they have brought him out. Everybody now know that. He was once a criminal. He goes to prison. In fact, prison is his next holiday camp. You understand? It's this set of people that he associated with that made everybody know. If not me, I know him long. 10 years ago, even more than 10 years ago. You know now. I know him more than 10 years ago. Long. But look at, you know, these people in less than 1 or 2 years, they have ruined his reputation. Everybody now know he's a ex-convict. Everybody now know this is who he is. Everybody now know this is who he is. And after all, them too, they never go. When your husband go threaten somebody, no go prison. He go. But has she ever said her own? No. But rather, she will come out to tell you, we are clean. We don't have any records. Our record is na lie. Your husband does live for prison for more than 3 days. Yeah. But when they see somebody's own, they will make sure they drag you so they can open your national site. My people, let's go to YouTube. Because if I continue talking, no will finish today. But all the same, nobody should even answer. Everybody have called the man, I guess, and I told him nobody is coming. Okay. Thank you all so much. The Golden Fish TV is my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button, guys, and let's do it step for step. We are not in a hurry. We are going one step at a time. All right. We are going one step at a time. Slow and steady win the race. When you are here in Europe, do your thing. I always advise, do your thing. Young girls, just be straight to yourself. Be honest. If you want to have a relationship with a guy, make sure you know who you are having your relationship with. Make your record clean so that when you get married tomorrow, you'll not be hiding inside hole. Oh, may they know, hey, that guy where I did that, I did that. And if you want to be honest with your husband, honest. After all, when he met you, you were not a virgin. You were not. You were not a virgin. Make sure you tell him everything if you feel like. And then clean yourself away from it. You are done with all those things. You are done with all those things. Not being married and sleeping around. And they copy to do paper because since I have been shouting it on this social media, this man sleep with her, this man sleep with her. Why they not go bring juju paper come? Those gullible followers. So I know they are soon as safe. But if she see who give another person paper, they clap. Now so give them, make their mouth shut up. Anybody wait, cause anybody, they go bring juju paper come for now. What about you? Go bring your own. Go bring your own. I talk and wide open. And now they bring the juju come on. Now they say go bring juju paper come. Me too, I see talking for your body. Go bring juju paper come. I talk and stamp and bonka. Yes. Papa wala do. Edoba do. Go bring juju paper come. Go and bring it. Go and bring it. You know let you bring. Because me, I stand upon the truth. And the truth alone. You and the whole people, you know let una do. You know let una do. They come, they talk on another person, they drag other people. Put, you know, go bring the juju paper. Now they say me they go bring juju paper. Now they cost I pay your ticket, me go bring the juju paper. I pay. Since me don't they pay your ticket now, you don't they collect the money for YouTube where you tell they talk rubbish around, they dance a just go on top. Where you tell they dance a just go, they collect ticket money where you take go bring paper come. You no go. You no go. But when you see who go bring con, you want take comfort in that. It don't work. I bring it. Even the Papa Wala say no bold. Papa Wala no bold. You know bold. If me can swear, womba put. Say no do that quikus. Papa Wala come and swear it. I will swear it. Come and swear, say you no enter there. Come tell us, say now lady, viens, now you touch. Come and tell us, Papa Wala. You know, let them do na corner side. This conversation is for me and you. Don't let it go anywhere. Don't tell anybody. Yes, I did not do. Now so they talk. Even Papa Wala went as far as saying, this one you are telling your friends. So there is one girl in Spain. This thing has happened before. When they were doing friends with each other, they never know this will happen. This thing happened in Spain. How did I know that? It was Papa Wala that said it. He said it happened in Spain before. Go and bring the juju paper, Papa Wala. I will stand on it and I will swear it. Did you do or you touch the aviam? Which one did you do? He said, come and swear. Or you enter. Come and swear it that you did not do. Come and swear. Edoba. That one don't die. They said that one don't condemn for London for you. Now I don't condemn for London for you. Never get go. I say never get we go send go bring the juju paper. How much more? Rise and falling star in London. Now be that one. Peckham dustbin boy. Now he don't become. I get them before na property. Now be name. When I call her, I don't buy aka. I get them before. Now be that one. Tina as old as he is, he still have a small baby at hand because he don't know where to put himself. Come and swear also. Say you no touch that dirty, smelly body odor human being. Come and swear. Come and swear. Mona go bring the paper. Cause that one, I will boldly put makeup. In fact, na video call there. Have anyone what drum what so what? Now so we are tell reach there. I buy a new put on my head. They'll come. I say, Baba, video call go along. What dege o face me na no zona. Guy. Baba, what's in a video call? What mo 6D lashes? Na 6D lashes. So Baba, what's in a video call? A video call ya not it's I was soy or what soy what time gay. You may bow him or what ya would walari. Yes, so Olo shibruku. It will not do. It will not at all. It will not. My truth will not kill me. My truth will set me free and make me glow the more and stand firm. Yes, so feel like make 30 billion of them come out. Harry Bebo. I'm not donate. All those crazy fans ways I be donate. What am I donate go to Harry Bebo go me? Wiki. What donate? When I donate, boss lady, where are you? Donate. You don't get money, but if you not donate, you go. When I donate, give her. When I donate, I mean, now do go for me. I'll send her for now. I don't need to be my friend. You guys don't need to be my friend. I will just open a GoFund. I lala paper for her. Now go donate money. May take on 50K. At the end of the day, settlement matter 150, 200K. Don't land basky. Emiowe or the big only more. You know dash out. You walk Emiowe. Emiowe. Oh, back where I saw. 200,000 you was I went border. Emiowe. For now, even donate, give and go because you go let it. Did you ask no open? What donating there? When I donate, I know it's a worry now. When I donate, I know donate. When I know donate, I'm going to donate for them. When I donate for them, I go bring paper cup for me. I won't down. I'm money, Mary. I'm a bastard. I'm a bastard child. Bastard children. I don't get peace. Let go peace. Anytime I see that get peace now, see me for a dream. No, don't come again. Oh, don't come again. Like why they say they spit for Joshua yesterday. Now so they do. I'm used to that thing. When I know anybody where they say can they speak for Joshua. When I know even man when something they pay now. If they don't choke, I don't need the way they choke. If they don't, they enter inside bloodstream. Go call they shout. It will never be da. La ready costly. Wow, why ya? To la ready with Joshua. And Joshua, oh, not to la. If you just spit the sweet for Joshua, the next day, if you just they go at it, they follow. If you just cause the cause finish, if you just turn back, all of them just waka follow. Church. If you reach at the next or they quit, boy. The newest baby on the block. Yeah, que le muere ya make papi ya me voy a chepone. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Excuse me, guys. Hello? Yeah. All right then. Are you coming? Till what time? I will be back. I will be home from now until 3 o'clock. Yeah. Okay then. All right. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. What? Yeah. All right then. Okay then. It's fine by me. All right. See you coming. All right. Bye. 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 Made me laugh. Where are you swimming to? Lolo. Where are you swimming to? So that thing she's doing is just a normal thing. No, why are not men now? Why are not just men now? It's a normal ritual. If she's feeling pain, the thing is chopping her like, ooh, she cannot say the real thing that is worrying her. She will go to that Joshua. No. I have to send you with Joshua. Only keke. Best way they drive, but where they drive, but they get there for Joshua matter. Oh, idiot. You know, person they drive motor, you don't get there for Joshua matter. Now pass with the pass Joshua. We know they stop for Joshua. God forbid. Waiting day Joshua. We know use our car. May God don't let you carry waiting day Joshua. Who put something for Joshua? Go using your go up pass the Joshua. Go carry her with your hand. Now you they drive bicycle. Now you they cost for Joshua. You know what I say all the iron go carry all the cost we put for Joshua. Go enter your Now you they use iron. Now you they use iron, they waka. Now you they cost for Joshua. You know not say all those iron they carry the cost way there for Joshua. They follow person. You don't know. If they can't go market, nobody they bear. It's stupidity. Don't get level. It no get level. It's stupidity. You know they wear pants now. Nakedness. Now is stupidity. They waka for outside. You go Joshua, go they cost people, and now you they carry Ogun they waka. If you enter your Ogun, grow, they just follow go. Bush. They don't follow you enter us. Say go they speak for Joshua. But did they pepper and come outside and tell us what they chop you? If you want me, I help you. Tell me. Just write me message. Say Lolo, talk with they chop me. Hello? Hello? I'm live on Facebook and I'm going to YouTube now. You kind of big tongue for Joshua. As they go there, they follow you. La. Me, I'm used to it. You no get effect. Even side effect, the smallest side effect, you no get. No get. But did they pay now? The two way they if something they pay now and you no fit talk am, or most of the time I would like stop. It's go depend. It's okay. If you say I cannot talk now, I'm going to cause the for Joshua. You know they go for Joshua, they go cause. I know what people for Joshua. If you go there, go use it, carry with people for Joshua again. Now you speak for Joshua, now they come at the next. Don't be heard you take carry. You use it, carry with people for Joshua. You use it, carry with people for Joshua. Every cost return to sender. You can't cause. See, to cause is not good. Okay? Don't cause. If you are angry, come out and give it to the person. All those kind of big cause that you know that where you cause it is where you are sitting down. It will follow you. Or you go outside, you go cause something, you walk out, follow you. It will follow you. The cause she cause a relation. Now so in con cause am. The cause still they worry that one. Though that one doesn't condemn before shower. Now, not be you be insistent, not be too often I call they share the cause. You see how? Then make if I curse you or I say go, I will never take you back. Be careful. When you curse people, don't take them back, because when you take them back, you take them and share the cost 50-50. One for you, one for her. Look on her life now. Maybe it's in her life, 12 now. You are sharing the cost you lay. 12 you are sharing it. I the sweet. They enjoy. I'll see you guys on my YouTube channel. Lot of dusty bacon. I love this one. When I laugh small, when I laugh small, don't mind them. I'll go bring juju paper because this are going that they chat out their match. They ain't gonna go for them. Anybody will comment back for you. See, if you want to go bring your fake account, comment all your generation for you. Me Lolo. Even I know your house, even with my neighbor, and they bring juju paper come for you. If I see you, I'll greet you after. How about the idea? Make you happy. That your depression of yesterday cure. So you cost me. If you know cure, and then you are very stupid. If your cause no change anything for my body, the next day I rather come and come talk more. You are very stupid. So you're chill out. Careful. See you all on YouTube. You guys are the best. Not too much. We will use all our hard-earned money. We will take and celebrate Christmas. We will buy things for our children. We will sample it everywhere. Do you understand? No juju man can take it away from us. If you want cause their father, cause their mother. Who bring juju paper? Now just say we know they see the juju paper for her. If not, this will for take the tear. You see, that's all for they do the juju people. We'll tell them, say, God in heaven, will punish your generation. Anyone where you call and you know talk well. That's all for the tear for their eye. But we know they see the paper. So, for respect, as well brought up children, we just call them and tell them we are not coming. Okay? So, let them go further. Alright? I love you guys. In fact, I don't want to call people's name. If I call people's name who have started group on this social media, Now no say una we no get face so Una no get face. Una not even stand 5% chance to survive past this week we dey so. From next week, I'm not sure say anybody will be talking about you guys safe. From next week Monday, nobody is going to know if you guys are existing. Nobody will know that. All right. So Muna go bath. You tell one of my ladies say people where they bath with soda. Now the one can call me where they bath with shampoo. Where that one they happen? Not they happen anyway. Nah. Don't let yourself down that low. But if you're a believer of such and you're afraid of it, don't let me stop you. Go and answer your call. Okay? But come and hear how I have already answered. Tell them I am not coming. I'm not sending any member. Okay? All right. Ready. Wanna hold the video for me and they come here.